To fix a washing machine that is leaving stains on clothes, it is essential to identify the possible reasons behind the issue. One common reason is the buildup of detergent residue, which can cause stains and discoloration on clothing. First, check the detergent dispenser to ensure it is clean and free of clogs. Run a cleaning cycle or a hot water cycle with a washing machine cleaner to remove any residue. Another possible reason is the presence of fabric softener residue, which can also cause stains. To solve this, run a hot water cycle with a washing machine cleaner to remove any residue. Additionally, the washing machine's drain pump filter may be clogged, causing stains and discoloration. Check and clean the filter regularly to ensure it is free of debris. Furthermore, using the wrong type of detergent or using too much detergent can also cause stains. Always use the recommended type and amount of detergent for your washing machine. Another reason could be that the washing machine's gasket or seals are worn out, causing water and detergent to leak onto the clothes. Inspect the gasket and seals and replace them if necessary. It is also possible that the washing machine is not properly balanced, causing vibrations that can lead to stains. Ensure the washing machine is level and stable to prevent this issue. To prevent future stains, it is recommended to run a cleaning cycle every 1 to 2 months. Check and clean the detergent dispenser and drain pump filter regularly, and use the recommended type and amount of detergent. By following these steps and identifying the possible reasons behind the issue, you can fix your washing machine and prevent stains on your clothes. Regular maintenance and proper use of your washing machine can help extend its lifespan and keep your clothes clean and stain-free.